Happy Wednesday, everybody. Yesterday was Happy Tuesday. It was happy until I went to edit my video and I erased it all. So we're going to do something else. Come on. Putting the 4.7 together here. These are the heads I did the other day. Put the seats in. This is the bottom end for it. Here's the main cap assembly, the bed plate. It needs to be sealed to the block. And then the oil pan goes on this side. The main caps are all one assembly on this. Instead of individual. Cranks around 1010, we bored it 20 over. Looks pretty nice, huh? Hey, so this block takes individual main caps. These are nice billet caps. This is a 7-liter LS. Hi, I got home and realized that I didn't say goodbye to you people. And I definitely appreciate you watching. This is just what I do. I mean, if you think something that I'm doing is wrong, put it down in the comments, okay? I have been doing this a very long time, though. Maybe tell your friends, hey, I seen this middle-aged guy. He seemed to kind of know what he was doing, you know. Not really, but, you know, I'm putting on a good show, right? Anyways, I guess that's about it. I'm going to continue to film this Chrysler, hopefully. You know, it's tough to film and work, and I got other stuff I'm doing too. I don't just work on this. I got, you know, had like a head job I snuck in there today. Don't let that get around. It's not what it sounds like, really. Okay? And be nice to each other, okay? It could be contagious. Maybe the whole world will get along. We never know, okay? We'll see you tomorrow. Come back then. Bye.